Good morning. For Traders Exclusive, this is George Kachuk with RCM Wealth Advisors reporting to you from the CME Group trading floor in Chicago. Let's talk about the equity markets. The equity markets continue to push higher, and just to keep things in perspective, the false narrative is that we've been running since 2009, and that's not exactly true. We had a pretty good bear market through 2015, and this new bull really started in about July of 2016, strengthened by election in November of 2016. So the market still has room to run. And more specifically, I want to talk about one specifically industry group that last week started making a move, and that's the semiconductor industry group. So if you recall, semiconductors were really hot running through that Brexit vote starting out in 2016, and they pretty much ran until June of 2017, and then they consolidated and corrected, and last week the semiconductor stocks started moving out. That's an important technology group, and it looks like it's going to be a leading group again. And this is normal action, meaning when a group has a large price move, consolidates for a few months, and now has another move, that's something you should pay attention to. More specifically, some of the names like NVIDIA, symbol NVDA, that's a little bit extended. We started nibbling on it last week, but it got a little bit ahead of itself. But I'd monitor that stock for a pullback, see if that's something that's for you. Another stock is Micron, symbol MU, also came out of a good consolidation. That got a little extended, so again, I'd look if that came back. However, there are a whole bunch of semiconductor equipment companies that are just right at that pivotal point. For instance, Applied Materials, symbol AMAT, or Lam Research, symbol LRCX, Cognex, symbol CGNX. These are just a few names you might want to consider. Ultra Clean Technologies, that's more of a small cap, that symbol is UCTT. Also having a big volume move today after a few days of volume, so I'd watch that and some pullbacks right around that $27 level. That may be very actionable for you. Now, of course, these aren't buy recommendations. You should always consult your financial advisor to see if any of these trades are for you. However, I just want to give you a few names here, stocks that you should keep your eye on. It's basically any stock in the semiconductor industry. It looks like it's poised for another big move. Last week we talked about biotech stocks, and this week I want to just bring your attention semiconductors to you. So as always, let price and volume be your guide. This is George Kachuk with RCM Wealth Advisors reporting to you from your CME Group trading floor in Chicago. Have a great trading week.